one, like you said, they were close to it.
Well, we're here at the first night for us anyway of the fall meetup here at Turkey Creek Campground, or Turkey Foot Campground in Daniel Boone National Forest, located in Jackson County, Kentucky. Several folks here. We're all spread out, sharing the camp tonight with Coyote 238 and the Doghouse Outdoors, Bo Sturgill, and my son, and all of us here. And the next camp over is Bluegrass Bushcraft, and Brian Woods is here with The Way of the Woodsman. Several YouTube channels here. We're going to have a good time, folks. Stick around.
Brittany, you want a biscuit?
Saturday morning. We just had breakfast burritos for breakfast. Everybody's up moving around. We're having a community dinner here tonight. Everyone's fixing something, and it's kind of become tradition. I try to fix a pot of deer chili when we come to these campouts. So I've got started on the venison chili, and shortly we're all going to convene over at Bluegrass Bushcrafts camp and just have a big dinner. Stay tuned. Chili's done. It's just got to simmer a little bit. We'll be eating very shortly. What's for dinner tonight, Robert?
We got a little bit of everything, buddy. You name it, we got it. The master chef made some awesome looking deer chili, and I've had it before. I know it's the best. I've got a pot of mixed beans, getting cornbread on right now. I think Brian's up here frying potatoes. I think this should be done. A little bit of everything going on down here.
We'll have a feast.
A feast.
Gotta love it.